I want to talk about Goflow, and the big question is Goflow e-commerce software tool worth it this year or not? So here's a summary I want you to pay attention to. I first want to define for you what Goflow really is, so we have a clear idea what kind of a foundation we want for today's conversation. Okay, so when you think about Goflow, I want you to think about a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that's actually designed to help businesses create, manage, and optimize their online stores. And so Goflow is actually applicable to small businesses, to large enterprises, to medium-sized businesses. I mean, there is no sort of a criterion that you have to, no size criterion to actually fulfill before actually qualifying for Goflow. And Goflow has a wide range of features, including customizable templates. I mean, the templates are okay. They're not really as impeccable as what you would get with, let's say, Wix or Squarespace, but those templates are pretty decent. Okay, so you have also secure payment processing within a Goflow. You have inventory management. You have marketing tools. So that's kind of cool. So all of this makes Goflow some kind of a quasi all-in-one solution to actually make it easy for businesses to establish a professional and efficient e-commerce presence real fast. So that's really good. Okay, and Goflow actually also offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, allowing all kinds of users to track sales, customer behavior, and also website performance. What we love about Goflow is that Goflow is actually gives you all kinds of capabilities to know exactly what works and what doesn't work in your website. Okay, and it doesn't matter how long you've had your website, and that's really good because some e-commerce platforms like you to have 3 months or 6 months before they have enough intel to do the analysis. Goflow from day one, Goflow starts at analyzing and tracking your website and giving you intel, benchmarking intel in real time. So that's kind of cool. With its intuitive interface and robust functionality, Goflow e-commerce software is actually an ideal solution in our view for businesses looking to streamline their online operations and actually also drive growth real fast. So that's really an important element to really think about. I want to talk to you about the asking price here. So when we think about Goflow e-commerce software, you can see on the screen that Goflow wants you to contact them. They do not publish their asking price. They do not actually, their pricing is not really transparent, and it's a bummer. We're really disappointed. But hey, listen, some players in this space like to have it, and Goflow chose that path. Okay, so they want you to contact them. You have to put your first name, last name, your work email, your phone number, blah 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 blah. And what happens here is that Goflow, for somebody from Goflow, will actually get back to you. When you submit your information, Goflow is going to set you up for a demo. They do not have a free trial. They do not have a free trial. They also do not have a free plan. So once you actually are comfortable with the demo, you're gonna start paying for stuff right away. So the transition is very fast. Okay, so that's why when you are thinking about, if you're thinking about Goflow this year, you want to pay your time. You want to take your time to thoroughly analyze the demo. I mean, this is a second disappointment because we don't really like analyzing demos here because a demo environment is not the same as a live environment. But hey, listen, Goflow is actually telling you that they do not offer a free plan. So you have no way to actually test out the software in a live environment. There's no free trial. So what you can do is to actually study the demo as long as possible. Okay. Does it take 2 months, 2 weeks, 5 months, whatever? Take your time to analyze the software to make sure that you're comfortable with the functionalities. You're comfortable with the feature. You love the features, and your team members, because your team members are going to be the ones using the tool in the first place, not you as a team leader or you as a business owner, right? So you want to make sure that the team members are comfortable, and also most importantly, remember that once you start paying for stuff, Goflow is going to charge you based on the number of users, but also the features and capabilities that you want to unlock. Based on our investigations, we've seen that Goflow has 3 pricing tiers, and that starts from $100 that can go all the way to $1,000, depending on the complexity that you want Goflow to actually set up for you. So it is what it is. let's talk about the high marks here. When you think about Goflow, what kind of features should you be really contemplating? First of all, you have project planning, you have task management, you have team collaboration. Let's really go a little more granular. So when I speak about project planning, Goflow allows you to create and manage projects, set goals and milestones, and allocate resources. And so if you are looking for, let's say, an e-commerce slash project management software tool, Goflow seems to be a top contender this year. So as a user, you can also create project timelines and Gantt charts to visualize project progress and deadlines. Of course, those deadlines should be sort of in correlation with your e-commerce activities, right? Now, is the project planning capability as is it really sophisticated? Not really. I mean, you're not having a project management software tool as convoluted as Monday.com or Zoho. No, you don't have that level of depth and breadth, but you do have a decent capability. You also have a task management. So within Goflow, you are able to have a centralized platform for creating, assigning, and tracking tasks. So users can actually set the due dates, priorities, and dependencies, and receive notifications for task updates and deadlines. So that's kind of cool because it really helps you have a clear idea about your e-commerce strategy, right? Sorry, let me just drink some water here. So really what I was just saying is that when you think about Goflow, you have to really think about granularity, that's for sure, but you also got to think about scalability. So what about team collaboration? Well, this is a wonderful feature that we have within Goflow. So basically, Goflow offers a variety of collaboration tools, including file sharing, comments, and mentions. So you are able to facilitate communication and teamwork. So that's really good. And even better, users can also create and join project-specific channels to discuss and share information related to specific projects. And those projects can actually relate to your online store, can relate to your offline store. So Goflow, in that sense, allows you to implement an omni-channel strategy. So you can have e-commerce, you can have offline marketing, you can have social media marketing. So that's really cool. When we talk about top marks, they're really high marks that relate to Goflow. In other words, the features. Basically, you have time tracking. So Goflow includes time tracking features to help you monitor and report on the time spent on different tasks and projects. So, and those projects can be related to your e-commerce store, can be related to inventory tracking, can be related to SEO. So online store SEO. So this can help your teams improve their time management and resource allocation. So we love that a lot. We also love the fact that you have a certain level of depth and breadth within Goflow, especially when it comes to reporting and analytics. Okay. So Goflow as an e-commerce software tool provides reporting and analytics tools to help users track project progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. So you can actually, as a matter of fact, you can generate custom reports and dashboards to gain insights into your projects as well as team performance. So that's really good from a scalability point of view. We love that. What about integration? Well, Goflow integrates with a variety of third-party tools and services, okay? So that's kind of cool, including the big names in e-commerce, such as Shopify, such as Amazon, such as eBay, such as BigCommerce and WooCommerce, okay? You also have integrations to Slack, Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. And so this really allows the users, such as you and me, to streamline their workflows and access all their project-related information in one place. So we love that a lot within Goflow. You also have a customization. So basically, Goflow as an e-commerce software tool offers customization options to tailor the platform to the specific needs of different teams and projects, especially when you have several teams supporting your online store. So you are able to create custom fields, templates, and workflows to match your unique e-commerce store requirements. Okay. So overall, Goflow provides a comprehensive set of features and modules to support project management, e-commerce, inventory tracking, collaboration, making it a valuable tool for teams looking to improve their productivity and also efficiency. So that's really important to think about. I want to go a little more granular in terms of features that you can expect to have as Goflow e-commerce software tool. So you have an online store creation and management. So that's really good. That's really an important criterion to think about when you are considering Goflow this year. You have inventory management. You have order processing and fulfillment. You have payment processing. You have customer relationship management. So within Goflow, you are, of course, you're not going to have a pretty like in-depth CRM functionalities, that's for sure. But you are going to have a certain level of CRM. So you are able to track your visitors' behavior. You're able to track your like you can see payment trends. You can see purchases. You can see trends in purchases across multiple geographies, by the way. So that's really good. So we love that a lot. And you also have a customized data integration and management within Goflow. So Goflow, remember, Goflow is an e-commerce software tool. So having the ability to have customized data and integration and management is really good. You also have real-time market monitoring. So that's kind of cool in terms of functionality, in terms of scalability. You have collaboration and knowledge sharing features. And this is really important, especially if you have multiple team members collaborating to make your e-commerce ventures successful, okay? You also have data security and compliance measures. So within Goflow e-commerce software, you have a set of data security and compliance measures. They are very strict, okay? And of course, finally, you also have API and third-party integration options. And that's really important to really think about also. What we love about this is that the ability to integrate with third-party tools is really good because you don't have to open 1,000 windows or 1,000 browsers while working. Everything can happen either through native integration or through integration through Slack or Zapier. So that's kind of good because it allows you to have one single platform, one single tool, one single dashboard, and really work across the board so that you are able to work across 1,000 apps without opening them. You have integration that are happening natively. That's really good. So what are the extras here? So overall, when you think about the feedbacks and feedback, the general feedback, what we have seen in our research is that overall the general sentiment for the platform Goflow is kind of positive. I mean, users actually praise its user-friendly interface and intuitive design. So you can see that Goflow really put a lot of effort, a lot of energy, a lot of resources to make sure the platform's UX and UI are really powerful. Okay. So people appreciate the variety of features offered, such as e-commerce optimization, SEO, task management, collaboration tools, and project tracking. And the platform has received the positive reviews also for its ability to actually streamline workflows, to track e-commerce trends, to track organic traffic, and also improve team collaboration. However, some people actually have reported experiencing occasional glitches and technical issues, and this has been a source of frustration, as a matter of fact. And also pricing. Pricing was an issue for a lot of users because Goflow, as you saw a little earlier, Goflow is actually very discreet about its pricing, right? They do not communicate around their pricing. They want you to really contact them. They want you to call customer service or sales, for that matter, for them to actually know to know more about you and integrate you in their sales funnel before giving you any kind of information. So what about the integrations here? I spoke about it a little earlier, but now I want to go granular. I want to talk to you about the integrations supported within Goflow. So you have Shopify, you have WooCommerce, you have Magento, you have BigCommerce, you have Oracle, you have SAP, you have Tableau, you have Google Analytics, you have Adobe Analytics, so that's kind of cool. You do have a Power BI, you have Slack, you have Zendesk, so that's really good. You have MailChimp, you have Pardot, you have Eloqua, you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator, so that's a great tool to have. You also have Zoom Info, Clearbit, you have Discover.org, and you also have Inside View. So you have a lot of possibilities there, especially when it comes to analyzing Goflow from a scalability point of view. That's really good. I want to talk to you about the alternatives here. So when you think about Goflow e-commerce software, what kind of alternatives can you actually contemplate this year? Well, you have a lot of them. Okay, you have a lot of players. I mean, by the way, Goflow is in a different category than Shopify, for instance. Okay, Goflow is kind of similar. It's more similar to a Shopify Plus. So in terms of alternatives, you have AB Tasty. We're gonna put this on the screen. You have AB Tasty, Adobe Commerce. Adobe Commerce is more like for high-level enterprise B2B sort of e-commerce functions. You have AfterShip. You have Enchanto Seller. You have Avalon Protect. You have Hey Reviews, Bazaar Voice. You have BigCommerce for sure. You have Blue Byte. You have a Brand Verity. What we love about Brand Verity is that Brand Verity is kind of cool in terms of ascertaining, if you will, the truth around the reviews that you have. You have Ketsy, you have Centra, you also have a Clear Sale, so we love that a lot. You have Equid, you have Etron, you have Elf Site, that's kind of cool. You have Emporix, another great tool that we love a lot. You also have a Feedonomics, you have FlexPay, Gelato, Google Pay for business. You have a GovX ID. You have Handshake, ID.me, IPQS. You have Lux. You have Magento Open Source. By the way, Magento is different from Magento Open Source. Magento Open Source is free, whereas Simple Magento is actually hosted and is actually paid. You also have a Mirror. You have a Nosto. You have Okendo, Plytix, Power Reviews, Butler, Riskified, Salesforce Commerce for B2C. You have a Salsify PXM, SAP Commerce Cloud. You have Scurry. You have a Segmentify. We actually reviewed a couple of those applications on this show. So if you're interested, you might want to think about it. You also have Seller Cloud, Xeon, Fraud Fighters. You have Shipit, Shopify Plus, Signified, Sold Live, Square Online, StoryStream, Syndigo, Tag Shop, The Search Monitor. You have Tolstoy, Triple Whale. You have a Webgility and Yotpo. So, do we recommend Goflow? Yes or no? We do recommend Goflow. Goflow is safe. Goflow is legit. Goflow is actually worth it. From a monetary perspective, Goflow is definitely worth it. Now, we do not like, of course, the fact that they are really hiding their pricing. But based on our investigation, this is a legit tool that has been in existence for a while. The company behind it has been in existence for a while, so they do have some experience. They have a proven track record, and if you think about the features and capabilities that Goflow is bringing to the market, this is a reliable tool. So yes, we do recommend. We actually recommend choosing it. But please go through the demo. Make sure you're comfortable with the features and capabilities that the demo is actually having, but before you actually pay for stuff. So what's the recap here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about Goflow. I gave you the summary, the asking price, the high marks, the features, the extras, and now the alternatives. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.